pleasure to be part of this restoration. Yeah. We have Aaron and Jim. Can't even speak, it's so cold. Look forward to seeing how it turns out. Stay tuned. Morning guys, it's a chilly Monday morning here in N16 and today we're really excited to be cleaning this synagogue. It's the Bobov Synagogue in N16 in North London, belonging to the local Jewish Bobov community, and it's really interesting. This building has actually been rebuilt 3 times and now it's in its resting place, and they're getting it prepared for the rabbi who's coming in 4 weeks time over from New York. It's a real pleasure to be part of this restoration, restoring this listed building. So as I mentioned guys, we're cleaning a 300-year-old building today. So let's go and take a closer look at the plaque and see if we can check out the dates when it was built. The building was originally founded in Leadenhall Street in 1760. It was then re-erected in St Helens in 1838, and then it was rebuilt on this site in 1915, where it's still standing today. Now let me go and introduce you to the team who's cleaning this lovely building today. On today's project we have Aaron and Jim.
Hi guys.
So guys, we've spoken about the plan today. Do you guys want to explain, Aaron, do you want to explain how we're tackling this one?
Yeah, so we've got the cherry picker arriving, so we're going to get up to the top of the building up here, and we're going to clean all the algae, dirt, grime off it by using the cherry picker with low pressure and high steam, and that should spruce up the building really nice.
I'm just going to utilise Mervyn here and make use of him with the drone. So what we've done is we put the drone up to the corner of the flat, there's a flat roof up there. So I want to see where are we able to get onto the flat roof around where there's a pointed slated roof there as well. So we have room to get up onto the roof safely there, and it was a good utilisation of the drone and making sure our job is as safe as possible.
So we're still waiting for the cherry picker. It should be here any minute now, but in the meantime the guys are just testing out the equipment, making sure it's all ready to go. We've got a full tank of water. Steam's working well. As soon as the cherry picker gets here, we'll be able to dive in and start cleaning those columns from the top down. Right guys, so the cherry picker's just landed. Just going to get it offloaded, get it set up, and we'll start at the very top and start cleaning those pillars. So today we're using an AJ800. We're hiring it from JMS. We've used it before on projects and we think it will give us the height, and also with the jib, give us that bit of flexibility to get up and over where needed. So to hire a machine like this costs roughly around £1,000 plus a delivery, so roughly around £1,500 for the week. So it was between choosing this machine or a truck mount with an operator. The reason we chose this machine in the end was because it's more narrow and the truck mount was going to struggle to get through the 2 access points that we've got. This was the pinch point where we would have struggled to get the truck mount through, as it's a little bit wider than this machine. So that was one of the main reasons that we ended up going with this machine. So a little bit of traffic management here. I need to get a bigger jacket. Look at this. Operator doing a great job from JMS. You've done that before, mate? You get a thumbs up for the camera? Watch them people. Should have about ½ a metre to spare either side of this pinch point, whereas the truck mount wouldn't have made it in. Lovely bit of manoeuvring by JMS. Aaron, you going to try from there, or do you want to get in closer? So guys, you've heard of the LBC radio. Well, today this is LBC TV. Check out the audience in the background. I think they're enjoying it. So Aaron's just on his way up to the top now. Takes a good couple of minutes to get up there. So he's going to start steaming from the top of the sphere, and we're going to set up a time lapse in the basket, and then also we're going to get the drone up there and have a bird's eye view of him cleaning that sphere. So it should be should be some nice stuff, some nice juicy stuff. So as we were waiting for the cherry picker earlier on, we started testing out how it's going to come out. So we were steam cleaning some of these areas, and what we noticed was this stone has actually been, well, we knew this before, but we just pointed it out to the client again that this stone has been painted. Really and truly, didn't really need to be painted. It's probably better if it wasn't painted. So it's been painted, so to get this organic dirt off, when we steam clean it, it's going to take some of that paint off. But the customer is well aware of that. They're going to repaint it. Also, you can see here, you've got like a nice white colour here and a darker colour here. We've tried steam on a bit of this, and I think this is just where the paint is like worn, so it's not going to clean up that great. Where it's really going to clean up well is up on those spheres on the top, where the water's been dripping down and all the algae has flourished and it's all green and black with the organic growth. That's the sort of stuff that we'll be able to take off, and you'll be able to see a big difference there. So Aaron's up in the cherry picker right now, starting on the first pillar. Today we're going to focus on cleaning the 2 pillars and come down as far as we can, and any of the stonework on this elevation. And then later on in the week we'll be cleaning the side elevation, all the stonework on that as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. We've cleaned churches and mosques in the past, but today was our very first synagogue. So if you've got any comments, please leave them below, and as always, we'll always get back to you. Give us a thumbs up if you like this transformation, and if you're enjoying our videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for another listed building transformation, or click here for some more roof cleaning videos.